Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 435 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video, and that was on a live trading account that we are still trading on. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 334 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,058 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, start earning money today with the easiest trend trading strategy ever. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see if this is an easy trend trading strategy and see if you can start earning money. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Frama channel indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this and jump into the inputs. And under the length, you're going to want to change that or make sure it is set to 14. Under the band's distance, you're going to want to make sure that is set to 1.1. And then everything else should look as I have on screen now. And the next indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the RSI histogram. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and this one will leave on the default settings. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when the coloration of the Frama channel bars, and so the Frama channel gives these bar colorations here that you can see. It's going from gray to blue and then also green, which you can't see on screen. But you can see here that the coloration switches from gray to blue right here. And it does so one bar into the future, so it needs 2 bars to close for the coloration to shift. And so once we get that shift in the coloration, we're then going to look down to the RSI histogram, and we want that to have a red colored bar like it does here. And so when those line up, that'll be signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right above this pivot area, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, which will put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for the green coloration in the candle. So you can see it goes from gray to the green here, and you can see the blue here, the gray, and the green all together. But when we get that shift in the coloration of the candles, we're then going to look down to the RSI histogram, and we want it to have green bars like this here. And so when those line up like so, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And we get a dip and a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades, putting it at a 30% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,000 for an overall loss of $5,000 altogether. So it doesn't seem like the easiest way to start earning money. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 24 trades altogether. We had 20 winning trades and 4 losing trades, putting it at an 82% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,800 for an overall gain of $7,200. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate significantly? The total gain would have been closer to the $12,000. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we just the other day closed out winning trade number 62. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That's 62 winning trades in a row with a 100% win rate. And that's using the crypto scalping strategy and position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, it was so powerful, the combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.